Hey, how you doing? It's Gio Gionta here, and today is May 21st, 2018, and I basically want to go over the money flow and how we earn money online. If you've been trying to make money online and you want to know the start to finish way of how we do so, I'm going to go over that in this video, so make sure you watch this video. I'm going to tell you exactly what we do, and what you're looking at right now, I'm going to go over exactly what this is and how you could use it to make money. So the first thing we do to make money online is we need something in place to be able to build a list. List building is key. If you have a list, you need to build a list in order to make money. So if you don't have any list and you're just told to go out and talk to a bunch of people and see if they join your opportunity, or or get involved, or if they want to buy from you, that's really not how it works. See, because you want to build a relationship with people, and you want to be able to contact them and follow up with them, by email. So with how online is today, is what we could do is we have the ability to follow up with people by email. So if you have their email, you're going to build a list, and you're able to follow up with people through email marketing, and it gives them a little bit of information about you. They find out about who you are and what you do, and they find out about a little bit about your life, maybe your family, what you're doing in life, and it starts to build a relationship with people. And that's how people really buy. They buy off of the bond with people. You have to have a relationship with people in order for them to buy from you. So people buy from people that they know, like, and trust. They don't just buy from a random person who just wants them to join the opportunity because it's a good opportunity, because there's a million different good opportunities out there. The key is, why am I going to join that particular person? Because he says or she says that there's a good opportunity out there. That doesn't mean that I want to join somebody. It's all because of the relationship and the value that you give people. So is what we do in order to start building an online list is, first of all, we have to have a method of traffic. Traffic is pretty much people that come to your opportunity. So how are we going to get those people? We could use free methods like YouTube, like I'm doing right now, shooting a video. It's a free method. You could use a blogging method if you have a blog, and create, a bunch of blog articles. That's going to get you some free traffic. Or like me, I like to use paid traffic. Now, is what the paid traffic does is the paid traffic allows you to actually scale. So I like doing YouTube, I like using Facebook, but then I also use paid advertising, and you could use paid advertising on Facebook too as well. But the key is being able to have some traffic and some people that are consistently coming to your opportunity, that are consistently seeing what you have to offer. And that's the key. You don't have to know every single method of how to get traffic. You just have to get good at one or two, master those, and then you could learn other methods as you go. But the key is to get good at one or two methods and give value and send out to your list. And whenever you get a result, whenever you have results in your business, whenever something happens, whenever you get a lead, whenever you make a sale, you want to share that with the list that you're building, so that they can see that you're making money and you're getting results as well. Because people want to see that other people are having success as well. So you also want to share other people's results until you get some of your own results as well. So if you don't have results yet, that's fine. You don't need them yet. You could start off and you could start getting the traffic, and you could have everything in place, and share other people who are having results in the same thing that you're in, and you could share their results, and then people are going to see, and you want to send out your list and build a relationship with them. Try to do it every single day if you can. And then what we do is we send those people to a lead capture page. what's a lead capture page? A lead capture page is pretty much like a website that retains contact information. It retains people's names or names and emails or just emails. And the key is to get an email, a point of contact, so you can email people who get on your list, who say they have an interest. So you don't have to look for people. People will look for you, because the people who have an interest in what you have, they'll put in their email to learn more information. And if it's something that they like, that they think that they could get value from, they're going to buy from you. And that's why you need a lead capture page, because you need a place to send the traffic, and you want to get them on a list. So you never want to be sending your traffic to anywhere else but a lead capture page, because you want to retain those leads. So, if you're sending your traffic straight to the sales page, which is the next component, if you're sending people straight to a sales page, then you're not retaining any of those leads. You're pretty much, wasting them. And you want to get people on a list so you can follow up with them. You could actually build a real relationship with people. And it's very important, because people don't build their relationship. And then whenever you get their lead, is what's going to happen. Whenever you get their information, you're going to get a lead. And what a lead is somebody who is interested in what you have to offer. They raised their hand. They said, yeah, I want to find out what he has going on. I want to find out what she has going on. So I'm going to give them my email in exchange for a piece of information. So him or her, I'd give them my email for a piece of information. I want to learn more about something. And on the first page, that's only to get people to put their email in. And then they find out more when they get to the sales page. The sales page is what has the opportunity on it. And what I'm taking you through right now is pretty much the whole entire sales funnel. It's an automated system that pretty much you could send the traffic to day, night, any time of the day, and you're going to make sales. And even if you don't make sales, there's automated emails that go out. As soon as people put in their email, as soon as people give you their contact information, it's going to follow up with them every single day, or whenever you have it set to follow up with your prospects, with those people that said they wanted more information. So it's not like you're trying to sell somebody on something. If they said that they had an interest by giving you their email, and they said yes, it's okay for you to follow up with them. It's okay for you to teach them. It's okay for me to learn more about whatever you have to offer. So that's how this works. This is a sales funnel system. And what does it result in? It results in sales. And that's exactly how you make money online. This is called the money flow. This is how you earn the money online. So if you want to earn money online and you don't know how to do it, this is how you do it. So pretty much is what I'm going to do now is I want to go and show you exactly what my lead capture page looks like, and I want to show you a little bit about my system and what I'm doing to get the results. So basically, here's some of the results that I've got, and as you can see, these are all sales that I got. These are all commissions, and some of them are monthly earnings. Some of them are on the spot. But as you can see, you get different pay amounts as you give more value. So it's all about giving the value. Now here's my lead capture page. Here's what I send my traffic to. So they put in their email, they hit get access, and then from there it takes the person to a sales page where they could buy if they want to buy. And basically I don't like to pretty much promote anything that's not beneficial to anybody in any company. I like things that are beneficial to people in any company. So it does not matter what company you're a part of. I like things that are kind of they're not brand specific, because everybody needs something like this. Everybody needs a system that they could build a list from. And this is not brand specific. You could build out pages for any company that you're a part of. So if you would get involved with this whole thing that I'm involved in, that I make my money from, is what's going to happen is you'll be able to build out, customized sales funnels for not only yourself but your entire team. So it's very important that you have this in place, and from there you could actually make the money, and that's what we do in order to make the money. So that's the whole thing and how it works. That's how you earn online. So yeah, if you like this video and you're looking for more information on how to earn, you want to find out more information from me, you want to learn more from me, I have this whole system that's already designed for you. So all you have to do is get started and get involved, and I have the same exact funnel for you to tap into, so you can start earning online as well. And you don't have to know how to build these things. It's good to learn, but you can learn later down the line. For right now, you just want to get involved and start learning how to market online, and then from there, you'll get better as you go. All right, so make sure you click the link below, and you'll come to this page, and you can put in your information. You can get the same exact system. If you like my video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I appreciate you watching, and have a great day. All right, bye for now.